Hello YouTube, Mike here. In this video we're going to go over how to make data cards for our scope caps. Putting data cards in your scope cap is a handy way to keep information about your rifle, ammo, or rifle scope with the rifle at all times. To do this, we're going to need Microsoft Excel or a similar program, a picture editing program like Paint, a printer, scissors, our scope cap, a glue stick, and a pencil. For the first step, we're going to print out blank cells from our Excel program with the cells outlined. With this, we take our lens cap and trace the inside of the lens cap to see what size we will make our data card. This data card will be 11 cells tall. Next, we will get on the internet and find a high quality image of our rifle scope reticle if we want to use it for our data card. If not, we'll go straight into our picture editing program. Once in the program, we start by putting the information we want in the data card onto a blank canvas. Once we're done, we'll surround the information with a perfect circle and then save the image. The higher the resolution, the better. Going back to our Excel program, we insert this image, making sure to keep the aspect ratio correct and size it to match the number of cells we counted earlier. In this case, our image will be 11 cells tall. Once the image is the correct height, we're ready to print. After we print the image, cut it out, put glue on the back side of it, and stick it to the inside of your scope cap. I prefer to do this with an Elmer's glue stick because it is easy to remove if I want to change the information and it won't leave a mess. That's pretty much it. Here are some examples of data cards I have done in the past. I hope you enjoyed this video. Always remember to exercise firearm safety.